Isang mapagpala at mapagpalayang hapon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Arlene Mendiola and I am your host for this event. I would like to welcome everyone to the nationwide PAO Lady Lawyers Merienda Cena with the First Lady. With this, may we call on the PAO Chorale and Orchestra to render a prayer song entitled Pangako Namin Sa'yo, Ama, which is an original composition of our very own Chief Public Attorney, no other than Dr. Persido Virueda Acosta, DSD, and arranged by teacher Macario B. Preanesa, Jr. Everyone, you may take your seats. Thank you, PAO Chorale and Orchestra, for your wonderful rendition of Pangako Namin Sa'yo, Ama. Now we go to the awarding ceremonies of our guest of honor. May I call on our dear Chief Public Attorney, Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, to introduce and confer the award of our Outstanding Civic Servant to our guest of honor.
Public Attorney's Office, PAO lawyers, lady lawyers nationwide. With illustrious PAO male lawyers, let us all welcome our beloved and respected law professor, Attorney Luis Araneta Marcos, the First Lady of the Republic of the Philippines.
Appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interests of its clientele. Given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys on August 12 to 17, 2024 at the Philippine International Convention Center, PICC, given this day of August in Pasay City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, Chief Public Attorney.
May we now hear from our guests of honor.
Thank you. Yee. I'm so touched. Thank you, Persida, our Chief Public Attorney. Thank you to all the distinguished guests, and of course to all our lady lawyers who are here today. Wow, ang dami ninyo. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, let me greet my friend Persida, who will be turning 63 on August 19. Advance happy birthday. When Persida asked me to join you guys, I immediately said yes, because the PAO is really close to my heart. Since October last year, they've been joining us in our Love for All program. So every other week, we go to a different province, and the PAO lawyers are there to give free legal advice to the indigent community, most of whom either want notarized documents or they want to leave their husbands. That's normally the ano. So thank you very much for joining us in Love for All. For this 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention, I didn't really know that there were so many of you, and I understand that you do more than 10%, right, of the indigent. You give free legal advice to the indigent people and to the deserving. So for that, congratulations to all of you. You know, it's not easy to be in the legal profession, especially for women. I always tell my students, if they're to succeed in this profession, they have to be fierce. So as First Lady, I tell all the people, ladies, you have to be fierce to get to your goal and to help people. So before I end, I just want to thank you all for this. It really means a lot to me. I'll put it in my office so that every day I'm reminded of the honor that you have given me today. Before I end, I want to congratulate all of you for this successful convention. I hope that when you leave here, you'll remember the words of my husband when he said in his last song na, dapat po natin mahalin ang Pilipinas. Dapat natin mahalin ang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Sama-sama tayo babangon muli.
Tagumpay ng bayan na kami, bayan lumuluha sa saya, tindi ng hamog ng ligaya. Tagumpay ang misyon ng masa, naghari batas batas at hustisya. Ang nagmatas ay bumagsak, ang nangapi at tumama, parang hangin na nagwawasak, na parang sa isamong kumpas. Bayan lumuluha sa saya, tindi ng hamog ng ligaya. Tagumpay ang misyon ng masa, naghari batas at hustisya. Bayan lumuluha sa saya, tindi ng hamog ng ligaya. Tagumpay ang misyon ng masa, naghari batas at hustisya. Naghari batas at hustisya.